Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is 9th November 2025 and I can finally say it. I have completed my all backlog. It was not easy at all. The last few days were super hectic. Late night studies, sleepless night, an hour of catching up with lectures. But I did it because I promised myself and I promise to you I will complete my all pending lectures till 9th November. There were moments when I just want to give up. My health wasn't great, energy was low, and the lecture feels endless. But whenever I thought about my dream, that one day I will wear that white coat and hold a stethoscope, I just couldn't stop myself. Today I have officially completed my all pending lectures. Physics done, chemistry done and biology done. It feels so satisfying to tick off every subject. Now from tomorrow, 10th November, I will be continuing my regular PW Yakeen 5.0 lectures again. No backlog this time, just consistency and focus. I couldn't record everything. Honestly, I was too busy studying. But I did capture a few moments and I want to share them with you because this journey isn't about perfection. It's about showing up again and again, even it's tough. So, if you are also watching this while struggling with your own backlogs, please remember you can do it too. Start small, stay consistent, and trust yourself. From tomorrow, I will be sharing daily updates again. Lectures, topic covered, progress, everything. We are in this journey together, so let's keep each other accountable. Also, just a small reminder, our first test is on 23rd November on Sunday, so don't skip your DPPs and revision. Let's keep our best because each step is taking us closer to our dream. Just imagine that day, walking into the hospital, wearing a white coat with your name on it, your parents smiling proudly, and you finally saying, I did it. If you are also preparing for NEET 2026, subscribe and join me. Let's make our dream